Hola a todos and welcome back to Marcus Language Academy. I really hope you've been enjoying my free course for beginners to learn Spanish. And if you have completed the first 15 lessons and 3 challenges, then congratulations, because now you are halfway through of this language journey for beginners. And this is actually a great and fantastic achievement. In these lessons, you've been following the story of Leo, a fun and engaging way to learn vocabulary and grammar. And as Leo's story progresses, so does your Spanish. Every lesson builds on the last one, giving you more confidence with each step. But there's more to come. In the second half of the course, you are diving even deeper into Leo's world. And you will continue to expand your vocabulary and grammar, naturally by following the story of Leo. You've probably noticed that we use a lot of repetition in the course, especially with my question and answer technique. Why? Because mastery comes through repetition. This method helps remember what you have learned, so it sticks with you long after the lesson is over. Plus, one thing that makes this course special is how we see grammar. I use colorful images and visual help for every sentence. So you are not just hearing grammar, you are seeing it. These visual tools help make abstract grammar concepts crystal clear. And if you've enjoyed learning with these techniques, I've got great news. The second half of the course is available right now on my website. By continuing, you'll unlock 50 more lessons and 3 challenges, each building on what you have learned so far and helping you take your Spanish to the next level. And here is something extra to make this even more exciting. I'm offering a special discount just for my YouTube community. Use the code YouTube10 at checkout to get a 10% discount of the whole course. That's over 15 new lessons, 3 challenges, interactive exercises, downloadable materials and of course more of Leo's story. All for just $1.99 or $1.79 with the discount. By enrolling in the full course, you will be able to finish the journey we have started together. And you have already made so much progress. So now it's time to get fluent, confident and comfortable in speaking Spanish. And I'm so proud of the progress you have already made. And I can't wait to see you take the next step. So head over to marcuslanguageacademy.com and use the code YouTube10. The link to the course you will find here or in the description below of this video. So let's keep learning together. See you soon.